Hello there, and thank you so much for joining us at the Natural Lifestyle Show. Today we want to show you how Billy made this beautiful raised bed garden. How much did it cost us to make this, honey?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nope, I took that and made this.
Wow.
So what I done, I took pallets, I broke them, I took them apart, and everything in here came from the pallets. The nails, the wood, everything came from the pallet. The only thing we paid for was gas to go pick up the free pallets.
Yeah, and your time.
And time.
But see, he took the thick beams that were on the side of the pallets.
The inside of the pallets has
a thicker
beam, and I made those the legs.
Yeah, that was the legs. And then he took apart the pallets and used the actual pieces of wood to create the sides. Yeah, but before he did this, he created like a side frame here.
Correct.
The two side frames.
I created an H frame.
Yeah, H frame. Then he connected those together with the first board, which determined your length of it.
Correct.
And then he just continued to add them on the bottom.
And I wanted the bed a little bit longer. So what I done, I extended it, and I just cut some boards, and I put a brace right here, and put it right here, and it's really sturdy.
Yeah, but in the future, he's going to do it just the length of the board. It'll make it simpler, even though it will be shorter. Just very slightly shorter, though. And this is the inside here. We filled the bottom with leaves, and then he took got three like of those trash cans full.
Yeah, the trash can was half full, so I could lift it up, pour it in there.
Of dirt.
Of dirt.
Yeah.
So
we, you know, in our yard we have a lot of good dirt because we have leaves that mulch the dirt and all kinds of things. So
yeah, we're continually mulching because we want our soil to be enriched.
Yeah.
But we just don't know how much we're going to be planting.
Yeah, and so we put the leaves at the bottom, then three of those deliveries of dirt onto here, and then I got some worm dirt out of the worm bin.
And they're in here too.
Yes, we have some worms in there.
That's the reason why I haven't separated the dirt, so you can see the leaves.
It's wonderful. And so now we're going to plant some lettuce, some Swiss chard, some herbs in here. And you know, we can, as we use up the lettuce or whatever, we can just pop something else in here. This can last us, you know, every season really.
Exactly.
Because we have the cold crops too. Yep. So we can have some cold crops in here.
And it's built very sturdy, and like I said, I reused the nails.
I said, yeah, just take a look, y'all. I'm showing the structure here. He said he reused the nails.
I reused the nails that was in the pallets. I did like pre-drill some holes to make it a little easier. Here.
Oh, you pre-drilled some holes?
Yeah, I did pre-drill some holes to make it a little easier.
Look how pretty that looks, y'all. That's nice.
And what I done, I found pallets that was not treated.
Yes, it's very important to find ones that aren't treated because you don't want chemicals in your, you know, your growing area.
I mean, whatever you put in stuff like this is what you're going to be consuming. Yeah. So you want to be very mindful of what you do and how you do it, especially if it's something you're going to eat.
Yeah. So I'm very happy with this. I told Billy that I did not think that I was going to have such a nice raised bed garden. And I feel very
it was a little bit of a surprise.
It was very much a surprise. I feel very blessed by God, and there is our garden over here. We'll do another update video on that. That's our secret garden.
Exactly.
So yeah, we hope y'all have a great day.
And we'd like for you to stay tuned on what we're going to create next.
Yeah, and there is going to be a link down below to our group Living the Natural Life, where you will find pictures of the process that Billy went through to make this. So if you want to see a visualization of the actual process, that's what you want to do, is click on that link down below. We got a lot more coming up, and Billy is being like so creative and just enriching our little fruit forest homestead here. We're building it up, y'all. So we hope y'all have a great day.
Stay blessed and be a blessing.
Yeah, and also become a Patreon supporter. The link will be down below. We have a Patreon where you can support us monthly because we are not monotonized currently. And also we have a shop, an Amazon shop, where you can get lots of really cool natural stuff. And so you have a great day, and God bless you.
God bless.
Bye.
Bye.